Good morning. Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday, 25th of June. First day ng school ni Lily today. So, gawan ko lang siya ng baon sa school. Half day lang sila sa school today because orientation pa lang nila. So, hindi pa siya talaga totally first day. Orientation pa lang. 3 days yung orientation nila. And, thank you, love. Bait naman ito. Kinuha niya yung phone ng mommy. So, for snack, ang request ni ate, gusto niya ito, peanut butter sandwich. So, gawa tayo ng peanut butter sandwich niya. And, for breakfast, kasi nga half day lang sila, sandwich lang yung papabaon ko kay Lily muna. Hindi pa ako nakakabili ng ano niya, mga pambaon. Sobrang pagka-busy ko kahapon. Sobrang busy ko kahapon mag-prepare ng gamit nila. Hindi ako nakapamalingki. Hindi ako nakapag-grocery. Mga pambaon nila sa school. So, we'll just make her a sandwich. Can you wake up, ate? Say, ate, it's time for school. Go. Go upstairs, please. Cute na AA. Siya pa yung nagigising kay Lily. Ayan. Ang cute itong baunan ni Lily, oh. Pang sandwich talaga siya. So, for breakfast, gawin ko na lang siya ng fried rice and longganisa. Ay, hindi pala kumakain ng longganisa sa Lily. Eggs na lang. Bukas, dalawa na sila. Kasi yung first day, yung orientation naman ng nila Aiden, start tomorrow. No, you can't wear that in school. The kuya's not gonna let you in. You have to go shower and change. Your kuya's not gonna let you in school. The kuya said, okay, you can't come in the school. You have to stay outside. Oh, di ba? You wanna go in school? So we can check the library. Huh? Come on. Ang bukas nito, sure ko. Kamusta sa AA? Ayan. So, kahapon, ito na yung mga prepare kong gamit. Ito kay din tong bag na to. Kaya lang, since hindi nga ako nakabili ng bag ni Lily na backpack for orientation, paggamit ko naman na kay Lily. Cute naman siya eh. Ayan. May bag si Lily na maliit na pwede niyang gamitin, but ayokong paggamit kasi hindi siya nalabhan. Ngayon ko pa lang siya lalabhan. So, ito na lang muna. And then, magje-jeans siya. Iwanan natin siya ng panyo. First time yung magpapanyo sa school. And then, green shirt sila ngayon. So, ito, green shirt ni Lily. Underwear na lang. Tsaka socks. Ito yung backpack ni Lily na ginamit niya last year. Pwede pa siya eh. Kaya lang kailangan to talagang labhan ng mabuti kasi iba na yung kulay. And ayan. Kaya hindi ako bumili ng ng bag for her. Kasi nga may ganito pa siya. Maganda pa. Eh, 3 araw lang naman nila gagamitin. Mamaya lalabhan natin yan para magamit niya bukas. Ayan. So for now, ito na muna. Iniisip ko kung magaganito lang siya today. Kasi nga, maliit lang naman yung snack niya. Or ito. Kasi pag ito, may lalagayan siya ng tubig. Ay, hindi pala kakasya yung water bottle niya dito. Pero yung water bottle niya, kasya dito. Actually, kahapon, nawawala nga yung water bottle ni Lily. So, ay papadala natin sa kanya yung kay Aiden muna. Kasi wala pa namang school si Aiden. And kailangan na lang natin siya bilan ulit ng bago. Ay, ate. But, ayan. Papiliin natin siya kung gusto niyang daling bag. But, for this school year, ito kasi yung bag na gagamitin niya. Kuhanan ko lang siya ng pencil case, pencils, and crayons. Ito yung crayons niya. Pinrepair natin kahapon. Ito na lang siguro gagamitin natin. Pencil case. Ito lang. And we We need to get some pencils. Dami-dami siyang pencils. Ayan. Ayan siya ng pencils. And crayons. Ito lang naman yung ni-request sa school nila na dadalhin. Ayan, kasya siya dito. Siya na lang papipiliin ko kung anong gusto niyang dalhin. So, snack, pencil, crayons, andyan na. Water bottle na lang. Yan lang ang hindi kasya. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung susuotin niya dyan. Anyway, I'm gonna shower na. Nakaligo na si ate. Good job, ate. Aiden, mommy's gonna shower. You wanna come with me? Baba, can you choose? Which one are you gonna use? Which bag? Come down. So, the blue one, this one or that? For today.
Why is my Barbie bag wet?
It's dirty pa. I have to clean it pa. I don't like it like that. Ano?
Okay, for those? For those? And the lunchbox?
Like, ano lang? Snack, pencil, crayon, and water bottle.
I think I want to use the cinnamon roll one.
This one?
Because it has my name.
Are you sure? It goes across your body. And then you have to hold your water bottle. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Go na. Ayan. Ready.
It's in town center.
What are you talking about?
Look.
Ay, yung book. May gusto siyang book. Tapos, wala, it's not in SM daw. Nasa town center daw. Mayaman ka ba?
It's in SM.
Lagi ka ba magta-town center? Ha? Let's go. Kalat pa naman sa sasakyan. Nagbubukas pa naman sila kuya dyan. Yung mga kuya guard. Wait na, yung sasakyan nila ang kalat. Ang dami dito. Say?
Hug and kiss just in case there's no parking.
Saan? Hindi na videoon. Saan siya? Ate is there, over there, oh. See? Hi, ate. Si ate, oh. Ang dami na.
Can you get yourself unstuck? Don't forget unstuck.
Can you show me? Are you gonna sit in the chair? Show mama. Kawawa mo na ng book. Aiden, it's time to sit down. Show mama. Listen muna. There you go.
Aiden, are you placing this on the table? What's that? You have to look for your name.
Look,
whose name is that?
Whose name? Look at mama. Whose name is that? Aiden.
That's right. So I will be placing it on the table.
You have
You
to
look
find
for
her
it,
name
all right?
tomorrow, okay? Yeah? Okay. Thank you. Come on, you have to put it back now. And we can see the library. You like animals? Sure. Do you like animal stuff? Baba? Do you like animal stuff? Answer me. Do you like animal stuff? You like animals?
He's busy.
He likes the books. Tomorrow we can read the books. Okay? Okay. Teacher said pack away. You know, pack away, okay? Okay, what do you say to teacher? Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll see you tomorrow, all right?
Yes.
Thank you, po. You're welcome. So I'll see you again tomorrow, Aiden. My name's Teacher. Wow.
Good.
Morning.
Morning. You going to school today? Are you excited? Good. Listen to mom. You're going to school today. Are you
I
excited?
want to show your farm animals.
To the camera?
And show these farm animals.
You want to show them? You have to listen to mama first. I'm talking to you. You're going to school today. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes. Are you going to say hi to teacher?
Yeah.
Are you going to the library after school?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm excited for you. You can have friends, right? Yeah?
Yeah.
You can have friends. You can be a good boy.
You want to play with your friends' farm animals.
You want to play with your friends with that?
Yeah.
Maybe after school, but during class you have to listen to teacher, okay? When teacher say back away, you have to back away, okay?
Yeah.
Alright. I love you. I love you. Yes. Yes.
Is this a goose?
It's a goose, yeah.
Look, that's a mama duck.
Mm-hmm.
It's coming for the babies. The mom is upset.
It's looking for
her
it.
babies.
Wow. I think this is a quail. This is not. This one is a quail. It's not a duck. That's a duck. That's a quail.
Oh,
Say quail.
it's just like a purple duck. It's for the
It
ducks.
looks like a purple duck, yeah, but it's a quail. Come on, time to go downstairs. Good morning. Today is Thursday. It's Aiden's first day of orientation. Second day na ni Lily. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kahapon so sobrang busy. But we will try again today. So kagabi, sumaglit ako sa Landers to buy some stuff para sa paunan at saka breakfast ni Lily. Lily loves Eggo na chocolate chip. So, bumili ako nito. Naka-sale to kahapon, kaya medyo matim. Kaya tatlo yung binili ko. Isang pancake at saka 2 box na waffles. Ayan, I also bought some pork at saka chicken. Tapos pinarinate namin yung ½ kilo nila to pang adobo. So, medyo magulo yung ano natin. For breakfast, iwan ko na lang siya ng nuggets.
Is it almost done?
Si Ate Lily. Parang first time ko bang gagawin ng baon si Aiden. Yung last na pagsuschool niya, parang play school lang kasi before. So, this time, preschool na talaga siya. Preschool na talaga siya. So, excited ako for him. Ito pala yung baonan niya. Hindi ko pa napaprepare yung bag niya. So, let him bring some fruits. Dito na lang siguro yung fruits at saka crackers. Please excuse yung ating kusina. Magulo. Snack. Nuggets.
No handsome.
Okay.
No handsome. No handsome. No handsome.
Wow. So handsome. Dali na. Ikaw, patatakin ka ba? Huwag na.
night.
Huwag tayo magtakin. Sigma boy. Sigma boy. Sigma boy. Ano sino yung Sigma boy?
No sing my boy.
Ay,
No singing.
okay, no.
No YouTube. No TV.
Okay. Sorry, mommy just find you cute eh. Oh, socks na. Halika na. Your glasses. First time namin papasok ng dalawa yung estudyante. My God. Nakakastroll. Tapos ang dami pang dadalhin yung mga art materials ni Aiden. I had to make sure na may label lahat. Art materials ni Lily. Wala pang hygiene kit si Lily. Bukas ko na padalan. Oh my gosh. Tapos iba pa yung ligo, iba pa yung baon, iba pa... Feeling ko naman today lang to ganito. Feeling. Oh my gosh, hindi na ako nakapag-makeup. Kay Aiden to be ha?
iiwanan daw yan dyan. Tapos, hindi ko lang alam kung alin dyan yung ano. Bye, Kuya! Bye, Kuya! Hindi ko alam kung tama ba yung mga pinadala ko. I mean, yan yung mga nasa listahan. Hindi ko alam kung lahat yan dadalhin. Hindi ko alam kung dadalhin yung kanila ngayon eh. Siguro. Pero kasi sabi kahapon ng teacher, na-meet ko kasi yung teacher kahapon. Ano daw, meron silang cubbies para sa bags nila. Meron din silang locker para dun sa mga art materials nila. May kanya-kanya sila doon. And then, ano pa ba yung meron? Tapos may hygiene kit ako pinadala kay Aiden. Iiwanan din yun sa school nila. That way, every day, ang dadalhin lang nila is crayons, pencils, and snacks. So, feeling ko ngayon lang yung ganito. Buti na lang malapit lang tayo sa school. Parang kaya siya ng 5 minutes na biyahe. Kaya lang medyo mahaba yung pila daw.
Tuloy natin sa kabila.
So, what we're going to do, na-drop off ko na lang si Sassy tsaka yung kids. And then, ako na yung magpa-park. Kasi kailangan si Eden ihatid sa classroom. Dali mo na lang yung phone din para mapicturean mo siya.
Okay.
So, wala pa silang dalawang picture. Kasi first day of school eh. Di ba meron doon sign, ano to? Sign doon na here comes change. Starts, ano yun? Change starts here. Parang ganyan ata. Hindi ko na picture. Alam mo, simula na nabatutan ako dito sa taas. Hirap na ako magsalita. Nahirapan ako magsalita talaga. Parang umuurong yung dila ako. Aiden, put on your bag. You go with Auntie and Lily, okay? And Mommy will park my car very slowly, okay? You go to classroom with Auntie and Lily, okay? Put on your bag. You want to show it to teacher? No, it's not allowed. You have farm animal will wait for Aiden in the car. Okay? There, oh, with Kuya. I will stop the car at Kuya's.
Come on.
Hold your envelope. Hold your envelope.
I'll hold it. Come on.
I'm just gonna
Okay. Oh, come on, Eden. Let's go to your classroom. Come on. Here, follow Auntie.
Auntie, say goodnight to Lily.
Okay.
Auntie, call mommy.
Okay, I will call mommy. Come on. Here. Open the door. Oh. Hello po.
Alright, look at Ivy. They're in the other classroom. They will come here later when it's almost time to start our class. Dalahin ko lang po siya. Dito pa ang...
Okay.
Go. Your parents will go.
Gusto's there. Gusto is here. Gusto's inside. Why Gusto? Where's your bag? Where's your bag?
Malalim daw pala yung pulse. Ano ba ba? Shy na siya. Dalawa na siya classmates.
Nice. Now we're here at your door. Yay! Walang liliit ko na. Let's take a peek. Gusto.
Stop heaven. Stay to your spot. Stay to your Who's ready? Me also, I'm ready. And Aiden. Alright. Pre-K parents, you have 5 minutes by 8:08.
Mga walang bata. Mga walang anak. Hindi ako sanay na walang bit-bit na Aiden. Na walang, Mami, let's go to SM. Mami, kulibok. No? Auntie, where's my animal? Help me find it. I'm angry. My AA. Aiden, did you go to school? Is it good school? Yes. Did you have fun? Can you show them your work?
What? I fell down.
Can you put on your hat? Please. Here.
Mommy's hat.
Here. Aiden, wear it. Tingnan nyo guys yung gawa ni Aiden. What is this? Natawa ako dito. Explain niyo sa akin. Jellyfish daw yan. Kasi nasa baba. Sana yun? Ito daw. A boy. Tapos, quail? I don't know, baba. Tapos ano pa ba? Sabi ko,
It's missing.
yeah. Sabi ko, ano yan? A daw. I, D, E. Tapos gagawa sana siya ng N, naging A ulit. And A, then. Ang cute. Anyway, waiting na lang kami kay Lily kasi yung pick-up time niya rin today is 11 o'clock. So, sabay na lang. Hindi na ako uuwi pa. Hindi na magpipick up ulit. Medyo nahihirapan talaga ako magsalita. May tinanggal kasi sa aking molar. And since then, hirap na ako magsalita. So parang feeling ko kailangan ko pa bumalik ulit sa dentist to see what we can do about that. But yeah. Aiden, what's your teacher's name? Come here. I'm talking to you. What's your teacher's name? Teacher. Is she nice, teacher? Yes.
Lily! Lily! Thank you so much. Lily? Yes? Where's the chicken?
Come on inside. Let Ate come in.
What chicken?
Hi, Ate. You look cute naman.
Oh, I don't know where's the chicken is. Stick your head.
Next to my princess. Hi, princess. Ang cute naman ang outfit ng princess ko. Ganda naman. Bagay naman sa kanya. Bagay naman. At look at your curls.
Outfit now. I'm
Beautiful.
excited for the crochet.
Yeah, look at your outfit. Oh, ganda naman. Bagay sa'yo. Turn around.
Ang ganda ng bahay.
Wow, bagay sa kanya. And you didn't lose your water bottle.
Broken.
It's not broken. Good job. What do you need to do? Take your shoes off and get your snack box out of your bag, okay?
You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.